So I had this random bonging that would happen. I mean, like, just one bong. Just one bong. Okay, I didn't close my door all the way. Anyway. But it would just be like one bong and then nothing. And I couldn't figure out what it was, so I took it to the garage and they're like, yeah, we don't know. Like, I checked everything. Everything's working. I'm like, okay. I'm like, eventually we'll figure it out. And it would happen here and there. And that was like 2 weeks ago. Well, today I found out what it was. My signal light has finally died. Ay, ay, ay. So I went down there. I'm like, hey, I figured it out. And he's like, the guy's like, oh, what is it? And I'm like, my signal light needs to be changed. Hook me up, man. So I got it changed, but oh my God. And it's just like, it makes you feel anxious when your signal light goes out and you know it's out. It's like, is somebody going to drive into me or something? Or they're going to be all angry driver because I haven't got my signal's not working. So glad it's changed.